So, ito na nga. Dahil nasundo ko na si Hannah. Hannah!
Hi everyone.
Are you excited to go to the Philippines?
Yes. I am the chicken dog.
You excited?
Yeah.
Who are you excited to see?
My Papa, Mama, la 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 la.
Who else?
If Papa, Mama see this video, she will dance.
She will dance?
Yeah.
And then?
And
What is the first thing that you will do when you go to the Philippines?
meet Papa and Lala Papa, la 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 la.
Just meet? Why meet?
And play with
With
Happy.
You want to see Happy?
Yeah, Happy.
Okay, we'll talk to Tita Cha to go and see Happy. Actually, okay naman yung Dubai. Okay kami. Nung nakatira kami doon, safe, ang daming opportunity, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Kahit nga na nagkagera, actually wala naman kami problema. Super safe din. Kaya lang, minsan, kailangan mo rin talagang isipin kung ano yung mas ikakaganda sa buhay mo. There are some trips na excited ka dahil sa destination. And then there are trips na excited ka dahil sa meaning. Today is one of those days. Right now, we're here at the airport, leaving Dubai, and heading to the Philippines. Pero this trip feels different because for the first time ever, I'm finally bringing Hannah home. Ano gagawin mo sa Pilipinas?
Dance.
Dance? Hannah, careful. Actually, matagal ko nang hinihintay itong moment na to. As a mom, meron kang mga bagay na gusto mong ma-experience ng anak mo. Alam mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong makita niya, mga taong gusto mong makilala niya. And for me, one of those things is in the Philippines. Yung pagkain, yung kultura natin, yung mga tao, at syempre yung mga masasayang memories. And that place will always feel like home. And now, si Hannah naman ang makaka-experience nun for the very first time. Although before anything else, alam niyo na, kailangan muna nating malagpasan ng airport. And if you're a parent, alam mo. So, ito na kami ngayon sa plane. Are you excited to go to the Philippines?
Opo. Filipinas ako.
Pilipinas ako.
I don't speak proper Filipino.
Okay. But?
Today, guys, we go to the Philippines. Walk in the airplane with my Aunt Mau and Candy.
One thing I've learned about traveling with kids is that everything takes a little longer. Yung pagkain, sobrang tagal. Yung paglalakad, mas mahaba. Yung paghihintay, mas lalong mahaba. Pero somehow, mas masaya rin. Kasi habang hinihintay namin yung boarding, nakita ko yung kung gaano ka-excited si Hannah sa mga simpleng bagay. Yung mga eroplano sa labas, yung mga tao sa airport, yung feeling na may adventure na parating. Habang nakatingin ako kay Hannah, na-realize ko kung gaano kabilis lumipas yung panahon. Parang kailan lang, alam mo yun yung binubuhat ko lang siya. Pero ngayon, kasama ko na siya nagta-travel. Mga ibang bansa. Making memories. Alam mo yun, ini-experience namin yung mga bagay-bagay for the first time. And siguro, kaya ako nagvo-vlog para lang maalala niya yung mga moments like this. Because years from now, flight details won't matter anymore. The schedules won't matter as well. Pero yung, alam mo yung pakiramdam, yung excitement, yung first time niyang umuwi ng Pilipinas, those are the things I never want to forget. So, ito na nga. Nakakatawa kasi hindi ko pala na-record yung buong biyahe namin ni Hannah. Kasi nga, sobrang kulit niya. Sobrang kulit niya, sobrang harap niya. Pero, diba? Wala siyang ginawa kundi mag... Oh, iPad. Puro siya iPad. Konti-konti na lang makarating na kami sa Pilipinas. Let's go. Siguro ganun yung mukha mo, nagigigil. Honestly, nakakahawa yung excitement nila eh. Parang napapaalala ka rin, may enjoy yung moment. Hindi lang yung destination, kundi pati yung journey papunta doon. And then finally, it's time. After hours of traveling, we finally made it. Hay ba talaga yung feeling? Parang may automatic reset button yung puso mo kapag nakakabalik ka sa sarili mong bayan. And of course, hindi pa tapos ang adventure. Kailangan pa namin kunin yung luggage at alam naman natin lahat. Ito yung part na parang umaasa ka na yung maleta mo, yun na yung susunod na lalabas. Pero habang naghihintay kami, may isa pang surprise na hindi alam ni Hana. Kuha na namin yung luggage namin. Pero itong batang to, napakakulit. Ayaw makinig. Tigas ng ulo.
Filipinas ako.
Dan. Ha? Huminagay yung mukha mo dyan kasi marumi yan. Sige. Waiting for the luggage. Kita tayo ni Baba. One of those things I was looking forward to the most in this trip yung introduce ko si Hana to someone very special. Actually, na-meet niya na to eh. Pero baka hindi niya na maalala. My best friend, Baba. You know, where there are people who become part of your life for so long and that they become your family. That's Baba. And finally, after all the waiting, after all the planning, after all the miles we traveled, this moment happened. Go inside. Seeing them meet again. Seeing Hannah smile, Hannah home. And seeing two important parts of my life finally come together. And in that moment, I realized something. That this trip was never about going to the Philippines. It was about bringing Hannah closer to her roots. Closer to the people I love. And syempre, closer to the memories that I hope one day she'll call her own. Hannah, welcome to the Philippines. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo, this is only the beginning.
Filipinas ako.